Let's begin with a new chapter today, memory and storage devices. First, let's start learning about the objectives. Understand the concepts of data and information. Describe the different types of computer memory. Identify primary memory and secondary memory. Learn how to measure computer memory. Data and information. Data refers to raw facts and figures like numbers or words that have no particular meaning on their own. For example, if you see 45, 92, A, cat, these are just pieces of data. However, once this data is processed and organized, it becomes information. Information is meaningful and helps us make decisions. For example, if we organize the data 45, 92 as age 45 marks 92, it becomes useful information. Computer memory. Computers have a special place to store data, known as memory. Memory helps the computer store data or information and perform tasks efficiently. Without memory, a computer wouldn't be able to function properly. All the data that computers process is stored in the form of zeros and ones. This is known as the binary system. Types of memory. There are two main types of computer memory, primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory. Primary memory is the main memory of the computer, also called as internal memory. It is built in the computer and stores data that the computer needs to access immediately. There are two types of primary memory. RAM, also random access memory. It temporarily holds the data the computer is working on. It is lost when the computer is turned off. Characteristics of RAM. Volatile memory. RAM loses its data when the computer is turned off. Fast access. It allows the computer to work quickly with the data. ROM, read-only memory. This memory stores important instructions for the computer that do not change and remain intact even when the computer is powered off. Characteristics of ROM. Non-volatile memory. ROM retains data even after the computer is turned off. Permanent storage. It stores essential programs such as instructions on how to boot up the computer. Comparison between RAM and ROM. RAM, random access memory. Volatile, data is lost when power is off. ROM, read-only memory. Non-volatile, data is retained even when power is off. Can be read and written by the computer. Data is permanently written and cannot be modified easily. Fast data access. Slower data access compared to RAM. Stores data temporarily while the computer is running. Stores essential instructions for booting up the computer. Secondary memory. Secondary memory is used to store data permanently. It retains data even when the computer is turned off. Unlike primary memory, the processor doesn't access secondary memory directly. The different types of devices used for secondary memory are magnetic disk. Magnetic disks use magnetic storage to save data. They can store large amounts of information and are widely used in computers. Magnetic disks are two types: internal hard disk and external hard disk. Internal hard disk. This is located inside the CPU box and acts as the computer's main storage. It holds everything from the operating system to the installed software. External hard disk. This is a portable hard disk. It connects to the computer via USB port. It is used for extra storage or backup. Optical disk. Optical disks use lasers to read and write data. These disks are still used for media storage, although less commonly than before. Optical disks are of three types: CD, DVD, and Blu-ray disc. CD, compact disc. A CD can hold up to 700 MB of data. It's often used for music or smaller files. There are two types of CDs, CD-R and CD-RW. A CD-R is a type of optical disc where data can be written only once. Once you store data on CD-R, it cannot be erased or changed. A CD-RW allows you to erase and rewrite data multiple times. You can store new files, delete old ones, and use the disk repeatedly. DVD, Digital Versatile Disk. A DVD can store much more data than a CD, up to 4.7 GB on a single layer or 8.5 GB on a dual layer. DVDs are commonly used for movies and software. Blu-ray disc. This is the most advanced optical disc and hold up to 25 GB on a single layer or a 50 GB on a dual layer. It is used for high definition HD movies or large files. Flash drive. Flash drives use electronic storage, making them fast and portable. They are ideal for quickly transferring files between devices. They are of different types like pen drive, also known as a USB flash drive. It's a small and portable device that can be plugged into computer through USB port to store and transfer data. Memory card. These are small cards used in devices like digital cameras, smartphones and tablets. They can store photos, videos and other data. Cloud storage. Cloud storage allows users to save files on remote servers instead of physical devices. This data can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection. They are of different types, like Google Drive. Google Drive is a cloud service from Google that provides storage for files, photos, and documents. It integrates with Google's suite of tools. Example of use. Students can store their homework or projects on Google Drive and access them at school or home. Teachers can also share notes and assignments with students using Google Drive. OneDrive. OneDrive is Microsoft Cloud Storage Service integrated with Microsoft Office applications for seamless document access and sharing. Examples of use. If you are working on a presentation using PowerPoint, you can save it on OneDrive. This allows you to access it later from any device, whether it's at school or on your family's tablet. Dropbox. Dropbox is another cloud storage service that allows users to save and share files, photos, and documents. It is easy to use and works on various devices like computers, smartphones, and tablets. Dropbox is commonly used for collaboration and file sharing. Examples of use. Students can upload their group project files to Dropbox so that everyone in the group can access and edit them from their own devices. Teachers can also use Dropbox to share large study materials or assignments with the class. Measuring memory. Memory in a computer is measured in units that tell us how much data can be stored. Just like we use meters to measure length and kilograms, to measure weight, we use bytes and others units to measure memory. Basic units of memory. Bit. Bit is the smallest unit of memory in a computer. A bit can have only two possible values, 0 or 1. Computers use many bits to store larger information. Byte. A group of 8 bits makes up a byte. A byte is a basic unit used to measure data. For example, a single letter on the keyboard, like A, is stored as 1 byte of data. Larger units of memory. To handle large amounts of data, we use larger units of memory like KB, MB, GB, and beyond. Now let's get into the details of these. Unit, kilobyte or KB. The size, 1 kilobyte equals 1024 bytes. For example, a short email or a small picture can be about 1 KB in size. Megabyte, also called as MB, 1 megabyte equals 1024 KB. For example, a music file or a simple game can be around 3 to 5 MB in size. Gigabyte, also called as GB, 1 gigabyte equals 1024 MB. A movie might be about 1 to 2 GB, while a smartphone may have 64 GB of storage. Terabyte, also called as TB, 1 terabyte equals 1024 GB. For example, hard drives in computers or cloud storage often have capacity in TB to store lots of data. Petabyte or PB, 1 petabyte equals 1024 TB. For example, data centers like those of Google and Facebook store petabytes of information. Now let's get into the chapter summary. Data refers to raw facts while information is processed data that has meaning and helps in decision making. Memory in a computer is essential for storing data and running tasks efficiently. There are two types of computer memory: primary memory, RAM and ROM, and secondary memory, hard disk, optical disk, and flash drives. RAM is volatile and temporarily stores data which is lost when the computer is turned off. ROM is non-volatile and permanently stores essential instructions like for booting up the computer. Secondary memory stores data permanently and includes internal and external hard disks, optical disks, and flash drives. Optical disks like CDs, DVDs, and Blu-ray discs store data using lasers, with CDs holding up to 700 MB, DVDs up to 8.5 GB, and Blu-ray up to 50 GB. Flash drives and memory cards are portable and allow quick file transfer between devices. Cloud storage services like Google Drive and OneDrive allow files to be saved on remote servers and accessed via internet. Memory is measured in units like KB, MB, GB, and larger, with data centers storing information in petabytes.